Hi students, good afternoon. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. We are learning our second chapter integral calculus 1. So in our last class we are learning the related problem to exercise 2.7. So some more problems examples are left there. So we will continue that. Okay students, I hope you all completed the last day's homeworks also. Okay, let's move to today's class. So already we have completed up to example 2.49. Let's start from 2.50. The question is, evaluate integral of x cube dx divided by square root of x power 8 plus 1. I asked you to learn the formulas. I hope you all learn. Okay, so let's do it. Solution. First what we are going to do is integral of x cube dx divided by square root of x power 8 plus 1. Okay, so we need to use the formula, but here it is in the form of x power 8 plus 1. So first you need to change, okay, according to the formula. So how we are going to change this? I am going to write this as x cube dx divided by square root of x power 8 is, I am going to write a square. So x power 4 the whole square plus 1. Okay. Now let us substitute z is equal to x power 4. Last exercise you have learned by substitution, is it right? So we are going to use this. So z is equal to x power 4. So when you are finding dz, what will happen? 4x cube dx. Okay. From this we can find the dx value, that is dz by 4 is equal to x cube dx. So in the place of numerator we can substitute this. So let's substitute the value, which implies integral of dz by 4 denominator square root of x power 4 as z, is it right? So z square plus 1. So here we can take the common outside, 1 by 4 is the constant outside. The remainder is dz divided by square root of z square plus 1. Now you can use the formula integral of dx divided by square root of x square plus a square. What's the formula you have learned? That is log of modulus of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. This is the formula we are going to use here. Got it? So here we need to change according to this. Because of that I substituted z is equal to x power 4. So dz is equal to 4x cube dx. Okay, so dz by 4 is equal to x cube dx. Now I substituted the value here. Now it's the formula integral of dx divided by square root of x square plus a square. It is in the form of x square plus a square. Now let's substitute here. That's equal to 1 by 4 into integral of, in the place of this you substitute this formula, that is log of modulus of, in the place of x here what's there, z is there. So z plus square root of z square plus, in the place of a square it's 1. Okay, so 1 plus c. So now you can substitute the z value here, that is 1 by 4 log of modulus of, what's the z value? You have assumed, according to that you need to substitute. Substitute the z value, z is equal to x power 4. So x power 4 plus square root of x power 4 the whole square plus 1 modulus close plus c. This is the answer. Keep it in mind, whenever we are getting the square root value, the same question, that one you will get, that is x power 8 plus 1. Got it? So this is all. So this is example 2.50. I hope you got it. Okay, let's move to next problem. Example 2.51. Evaluate square root of x square minus 16 dx. Okay, so solution. So integral of square root of x square minus 16 dx is, it's a perfect square, x square 16 also we will change this perfect square, is it right? So directly we can apply the formula. So this problem is very easy. Okay, so here we can write this as integral of square root of x square minus 4 square dx, is it right? So directly we will apply the formula. We studied the fifth formula we will use here. Okay, So the formula is integral of square root of x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 square root of x square minus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square modulus close plus c. Listen students, again and again I am repeating the same. You learn the formula thoroughly. Okay. So integral of square root of x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 square root of x square minus a square. Okay, that is same question. Minus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Okay, so now just you substitute the value, you will get the answer. So in the place of x, what's there? X is, so x by 2 square root of x square minus 4 square minus 4 square, is it right? So 4 square by 2 log of modulus of x plus square root of x square minus 4 square plus c. Okay, mod close plus c. That's equal to x by 2. Same that question value will get, that is x square minus 16 by 2 log of modulus of x plus square root of x square minus 16 plus c. Okay. So if you need, you can simplify this, you will get as 8. Okay, this is our required answer. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, so let's move to the next problem, 2.52. Writing the question. Evaluate integral of square root of x square plus 5 dx. Okay, listen here, this 5 is not a perfect square, is it right? So we can change. Okay, solution integral of square root of x square plus 5 dx is equal to integral of square root of x square plus, shall we write as root 5 the whole square? Root 5 the whole square, what's the value? 5 is. So now it is in the form of perfect square. So now we can use the formula x square plus a square dx. What's the formula for x square plus a square? That is sixth formula. X by 2 square root of x square plus a square by 2, then log of modulus of x plus square root of x square plus a square mod close plus c. So this is the formula we will use here. Okay, so now use it. So that's equal to x by 2 square root of x square plus 5. You can write the question here. Okay, so plus square a square means square root of 5 the whole square by 2 log of modulus of x plus square root of x square plus 5 plus c. Okay, that's equal to x by 2 square root of x square plus 5 plus 5 by 2 log of modulus of x plus square root of x square plus 5 mod close plus c. Got it? Okay, this one. Next question, example 2.53. Okay, evaluate integral of square root of 4x square plus 9 dx. Okay, solution. Listen here students. So it is somewhat different. Why it is different? X square is there plus 9 is there. So 9 is also a perfect square. We will change this 3 square is. But here x for one coefficient is there. What's the coefficient of x square? 4 is there, is it right? So here it is in the form of square root of mx square plus a square. Okay, all of you take your book, take page number 41 in your book, page number 41. One do you know is there. Okay, so you will use that one here. So there is no difference. So square root of x square plus a square we used now, is it right? So same formula we will use here, but here one m is there additionally. So in the place of m is there, so because of that x by 2, in the place of x by 2 you will substitute mx. That's the only difference. So wherever it's a x in that formula, here we will use mx. That's the only difference. Understand, students? So if you have doubt, you go through that formula. Okay. Then one more thing, when you are doing this, you will divide by 1 m. So in first exercise and all I taught, if x for any coefficient is there, that particular coefficient you need to divide. Is it right? So same procedure here also you will use. So if x for one coefficient is there, that's 4. So you will divide by that 4. Okay. So that's the only difference. So first I am writing the formula. We are going to use this integral of square root of mx the whole square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by mx by 2 square root of mx the whole square plus a square by 2 log of modulus of mx plus square root of mx the whole square plus a square mod close plus c. So this is a formula we are going to use here. Okay. Now we are going to write this as square root of, shall we write this as 2x the whole square plus 3 square dx. So what's the x value, m value here? 2 is the m value. So 1 by m. So 1 by 2 into mx, that is 2x by 2 square root of 2x the whole square plus 3 square plus 3 square by 2 log of modulus of mx. Is it right? So 2x plus square root of 2x the whole square plus 3 square mod close plus c. Okay. That's equal to 1 by 2 is an outside. So this and this will get cancelled. So x into square root of 4x square plus 9 by 2 log of modulus of 2x plus square root of 4x square plus 9 mod close plus c. Okay. That's equal to, shall we multiply inside? So you will get as x by 2 square root of 4x square plus 9 is there. So 9, 2 into 2, 4 log of modulus of 2x plus 4x square plus 9 mod close plus c. Got it? So I multiplied with the x by 2 inside. So 1 into x is x by 2, 1 into 9 by 4 multiplied. Okay, got it? So that's the only small difference. That's the m value. So when you are doing, you need to divide by the x square coefficient. Okay, got it? Okay, let's move to the next problem. Next question is example 2.54. Evaluate integral of square root of x square minus 4x plus 3 dx. Okay. So this one is a quadratic equation. So I taught you by using the completing the square method. The same method we are going to use here. So we'll use that. That is x square minus 4x is equal to, I am moving further. That is already you have learned. That's equal to minus 3. Next, what will you do? Half of the quotient of x. So minus 4x plus 2 square. That's equal to minus 3 plus 2 square. That is x minus 2 the whole square. Here minus 3 plus 4. So 1 you will get. Bring this to here. That is x minus 2 the whole square minus 1 square. Now substitute this here. That is equal to integral of solution. Integral of square root of x minus 2 the whole square minus 1 square dx. Okay. So in the place of x, what's there? X minus 2 is there. Okay. So we will use that. That is the formula according to the formula. If you need, you write the formula. What's the formula? Square root of x square minus a square formula. Okay. Square root of x square minus a square formula we are going to use here. So in the place that is x minus 2 is there. So x minus 2 by 2 square root of x minus 2 the whole square minus 1 square minus 1 by 2 log of modulus of x minus 2 plus square root of x minus 2 the whole square minus 1 square plus c. Okay. So simplify this, you will get the answer. That is x minus 2 square root of x minus 2 the whole square minus 1 square is same as the question. Okay. So now you can apply that. Okay. That's equal to x minus 2 by 2 square root of same question, that is x square minus 4x plus 3, that is minus 1 by 2 log of modulus of x minus 2 plus square root of x square minus 4x plus 3 plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Got it? Okay, I hope you got it. That is the only difference in this problem is given question is a quadratic equation. Okay, so by using the completing the square method, you need to do afterwards substitute that particular there, that is in the form of x square minus a square. Okay, only one difference is it is in the form of x square minus a square, but the only difference is in the place of x it is x minus 2. So wherever the formula, wherever it's the x, in that place you need to substitute x minus 2. Understand? First you substitute the formula, you will get the answer. Understand? Okay, let's go to next problem. Example 2.55. Evaluate integral of 1 by x minus square root of x square minus 1 dx. Okay, solution. So now it is somewhat different. Okay, so 1 by x minus square root of x square minus 1 dx. You have any idea how we will do this? You can rationalize, is it right? So this one we need to rationalize. So how we will rationalize 1 by x minus square root of x square minus 1. Here minus, so plus symbol, is it right? Plus square root of x square minus 1 divided by x plus square root of x square minus 1 dx. Carefully you need to do. So here it is minus, so plus plus. So how much you will get? X plus square root of x square minus 1. Now it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so what will you get? A square minus b square, is it right? What's the formula for a square minus b square? A square minus b square, what's the formula? You learned in the lower class, that is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so now substitute this formula, that is x square minus, if you need you can do it side. Okay, so a square minus b square, is it right? So a square minus b square means x square minus 1 the whole square. So x square minus the square root and the square will cancel and go, so x square minus 1. So x square minus x square plus 1. Now substitute here minus x square plus 1. So this and this will get cancelled. So divided by 1 it is same, is it right? So what's the balance? X square plus square root of, sorry, x plus square root of x square minus 1 dx. Okay, now you can split it as two integral, that is x dx as one integral, another as square root of x square minus 1 dx as another integral. What is the integral of x dx? X square by 2. Okay, then this one you will apply the formula square root of x square minus a square. What's the formula for square root of x square minus a square? We have learned already, is it right? That is square root of x square minus a square is equal to x by 2 square root of x square minus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. So you will apply this formula here, you will get the answer. Okay, so now let's apply this formula by here. So this one how I did? Have you? No. So x means x square by 2, that is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this one plus x by 2 square root of x square minus 1 minus 1 by 2 log of modulus of x plus square root of x square minus 1 modulus plus c. This is the answer. Got it? Okay. So I think example problems everything over in this section. We have learned many problems. We have learned more formulas. So this section is important. The main thing is you need to learn the formula. If you know the formula, the section is very easy for you. So first you learn the formula and go through that. Okay. So now all of you take down your books. Page number 42. Take exercise 2.7. Okay. So whatever the problem we have completed already. So we have completed some problems. Is it right already? That is first when I am starting this section I gave 1, 4, 5 as homework. Then I gave 9 and 10 as homework. Is it right? So today I am giving another homework for you. Problem number 6 is your homework. Problem number 15 and problem number 16 is your homework. Please students take down your homeworks. Today's homework is problem number 6. Exercise 2.7, problem number 6, problem number 9, problem number 10. These 3 problems are your homework. Okay. Now, come to 6th problem. 6th problem is same as which example that model? Take it. So, denominator is in the form of, what's the form of the denominator? Denominator is in the form of quadratic equation. So, by using the completing the square method, you need to do 6th problem. Then, 9th problem you have completed already, is it right? So I think 9 and 10 also you have completed it. So last day I gave. Okay. So problem number, students, problem number 6, 15 and 16 is your homework. Okay. Okay. Problem number 15, how will you do? So same as 2.54 model. Then problem number 16 is same as 2.55 model. Okay. So just you go through and complete it. Now we need to do something. So remaining, what are the questions are remaining? So problem number 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 16. These are all the problems I gave homework. So remaining we will do in the class. Okay. So exercise 2.7, problem number 2. 1 by 9 minus 8x minus x square. Okay. We need to integrate. Okay, now integrate it. Integrate with respect to x. Integrate this solution. So this one also already we have did, but anyhow somewhat difference is there because of that I am doing. So first you take the denominator value and rearrange it. That is minus x square minus 8x plus 9. So by using completing the square method, minus x square minus 8x is equal to minus 9. Okay, minus 9, plus 9 is there. If you are bringing that side, it will change as minus 9. Is it right? So one more thing you can do, otherwise keep it as plus 9 and take minus outside. So x square plus 8x, okay, minus 9. Okay, now bring that to the next side. Minus you keep it as outside. X square plus x 8x is equal to 9. Okay, now minus you keep it outside. Half of the coefficient of exponents plus 8x plus 4 square is equal to 9 plus 4 square. That is minus you keep it outside. X plus 4 the whole square is equal to 9 plus 16 means you will get as 25. Okay. So minus x plus 4 the whole square minus, is it right? So minus 5 square. So minus if you are multiplying inside, what will happen? Minus if you are multiplying inside, minus of x plus 4 the whole square plus 5 square. Now you substitute this here. Okay. That is equal to, we will write 1 by plus term first. So 25 minus x plus 4 the whole square. Okay. So here 25 minus x plus 4 the whole square, integral dx. Now you apply the formula. Now it is in the form of dx divided by a square minus x square. Correct? A square minus x square. So what's the formula you will use here? Integral of dx divided by a square, that is 5 square. So a square minus x square is equal to, now use the formula. What's the formula you have learned? That is a square minus x square means 1 by 2a log of modulus of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. Okay, now apply the formula here. This is a formula. Now apply this formula here. That's equal to 1 by 2 into a value is 5 log of modulus of 5 plus in the place of x what's there, x plus 4 is it right, x plus 4 5 minus x minus 4 plus c. Okay, that's equal to 1 by 10 log of modulus of x plus 9 divided by minus x plus 1 plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Understand children? So this one we have completed many problems, very easy, but here you will get somewhat confusion because of that I did. Okay, so problem number 1 completed, problem number 2 also we have completed. Okay, so one more question we will do today, problem number 3. Integrate integral of 1 by 2 x square minus 9 dx. That's equal to, how we will change this solution, integral of dx divided by, this is 2x square, is it right? So we need to change this square root of 2, is it right? We need to change that also as a right, this is square root of 2x the whole square, okay, minus 3 square, that is in the form of dx divided by mx the whole square minus a square. Okay, so when you are substituting in the formula, you keep it in mind, outside what you need to do, you need to divide by the coefficient. Okay, that's the only difference, that is 1 by m, what's the m value, square root of 2 into 1 by 2 into 3. Okay, that is 2a log of modulus of ax, is it right? In the place you need to put mx, is it right? Mx by 3, that is square root of 2x plus 3. Okay, plus c. We need to write down the formula, that's equal to 1 by m into 1 by 2a log of modulus of mx minus a divided by mx plus a plus c. That's equal to 1 by 2 into 3 is 6, 6 root 2 log of modulus of square root of 2x minus 3 divided by square root of 2x plus 3 plus c. Got it children? This is the only difference here. Here m for one value is there. So in your book, if you are refer in your book, there some do you knows are there. So please go through that. There this everything they gave. So keep it in mind. X for some coefficient means when you are doing, when you are substituting in the formula, there is only one difference, that is outside you need to divide by the coefficient of x. Okay, got it? So these are the problems they may ask in 2 mark questions. So formulas are very, very important. Okay, so some more problems are left. We will see in the next class, students. So please complete all the homeworks, maintain your classworks neatly. So in the next class we will complete the remaining exercise and we will move to the next topic. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, students.